Yeah. You got a smooth flow. You got a smooth flow. That's what they tell you. Like
Good morning, YouTube. It has indeed been a moment since we brought you guys an update on Farmer G and his Beauregard sweet potato that he's growing right here at our garden, right here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Farmer G. My brother, a lot has changed with what you're doing over there in our garden, brother. A lot has changed. I'm going to give you guys a quick flashback to what your Beauregard sweet potato plants looked like in our previous video update right now. And now we're going to flip this camera around and show you exactly what they look like now, Farmer G. Remember that promise we made you that in a couple of weeks, your name would be virtually invisible on that planter because of the vines? Yeah, we weren't lying, Farmer G. Take a look at this, brother. You see that, YouTube? Can you see all of those vines on Farmer G's Beauregard sweet potato plants? Has those vines really spread out across our front yard gardening area or what? They virtually fill up the planter on the inside. But yeah, let's see if we can read Farmer G's name on this planter. Can anybody make out Farmer G's name on this planter? I can't. We know that's you over there, Farmer G, but yeah, we can't even see your name at this point, brother. Another thing I want to mention to you, Farmer G, is this. Some changes going on with your plants themselves. You notice those leaves beginning to change color, my brother? That's a definite sign of what's going on with your plants and what's going on beneath your plants, brother. Your plant has gotten an average of about 10 hours of sunlight a day here in this area. Gotten good water. They're planted in a tire. That rubber actually holds a lot of heat, keeps the soil really moist, and we know sweet potatoes require sunlight, heat, and well-drained, moist soil. So that's what we've been trying to give your plants here in this area over here, Farmer G, and I think they really appreciate being in this planter, being in this location in this planter, receiving the amount of water that we do give your sweet potatoes here, my brother. And again, Farmer G, we do expect to be harvesting your Beauregard sweet potatoes during the second week of October, right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. And we'll definitely bring you guys at least one more update between now and then on the growth progress of your plants. And we'll be bringing you guys the harvest video again during the second week in October. At any rate, if you're currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. And if you're not currently already following Farmer G over there on his channel, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video and go over to his channel and see what he's growing over there in his garden as well. Thanks.
Yeah. You got a smooth flow. You got a smooth flow. That's what they tell this lion in every city where I go. You got a smooth flow. You got a smooth flow. That's what they tell this lion in every city where I go. A lion unleashed. It's been a long time since I hit this mic and let the world know what's on my mind. Just call me president because I'm taking over. If you a lady, you can call me Lion Casanova. Make haters hit the brakes just like a stop sign. They mean mug me when they see me but won't cross the line. I don't respond to haters. Y'all need to stop lying. And don't come competition for this lion, better stop trying. This lion's on a mission, I'm out to get paid. Then take vacation, summertime, cooling in the shade. Sipping on lemonade, then smoke some high grade. I ain't special but like he said, this lion's got it made. I'm breaking all the rules, don't follow guidelines. Holla at the lady, call her Sadie by the stop sign. I leave the corner stove and put it to the floor. Back to the studio, you know it's where I'm about to go. Yeah. You got a smooth flow, you got a smooth flow. That's what they tell this lion in every city where I go. You got a smooth flow, you got a smooth flow. That's what they tell this lion in every city where I go. Can you picture this? A lion overseas, having conversations with my banker in the Philippines. Paparazzis follow everywhere I go. Take a picture for the next edition, say the lion got a smooth flow. I'm flying first class, late night flights. Waking up in Singapore, got this lion feeling alright. Before I hit the stage, I can't forget my shades. I'm a happy person, got a lion's mane and I don't wear no fade. The crowd's going wild, ladies jump in.